Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I have a haul video. So I have quite a few things in here, and most of them I actually even have on my face already. So if you want to see what I got, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please take a moment to just hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I have quite a few items that I want to share with you, but I'm going to start off the first one with an item that was sent to me. This is by Althea Beauty, and I have done another one of their boxes in the past. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link that up here on a little card for you. But this is the box that they sent it in, and it's their new skincare system. So this comes with 3 products. You get the contour cleanser, and then you get a primer water, and last but not least, you get a fixer cream. Now, I don't know if this is going to be part of what they send to you, but my kit came with a cute little mirror, and I also got a little trivet. I like marble, and it's got Althea on the other side, so it's like a little coaster type thing. So I just thought that was really, really cute. Unfortunately, their website is under construction for the last 2 days, so I haven't been able to get in there and really read up on this, but I do have a little booklet they sent, so I will read what they have. So the contour cleanser, microcapsules pop with water to gently but effectively exfoliate and remove impurities from the skin. Detoxify your skin and create a defined, slim face shape. Then when you get into the primer water, keep your steps to a minimum with a 2-in-1 toner and primer. Made with patented Dewdrops technology, it smooths and evens out the skin, prepping it for the next step and leaving your skin in a youthful glow. And the last is the fixer cream. Feel layers upon layers of moisture as it penetrates into your skin for up to 24 hours, giving your skin the hydration it truly needs. Keep your skin feeling fresh and looking vitalized all day. So let me go through these one by one. I tried this last night at bedtime, and I felt this was just a little bit heavy for me personally, for my skin, to wear during the day. This is what the contour cleanser looks like. So you can see it's really thick. I didn't necessarily feel any type of exfoliating type beads or anything like that, but it gets like really, really sticky and tacky. Of course, I don't have water on it. But it did a great job of just getting in there and taking off all of my makeup. So it got everything. And then I went in with the primer water after that. I tell you, this just feels so cooling and so, I don't know, just really refreshing on the face. Let me get a little pad. Hopefully we'll be able to see on this. This is almost like a gel type consistency. You can see me drop it out there. It's very thick and very, very hydrating. So I should have used this at least today in place of my primer. Stop and think about that. Sorry about that. But I'm on the first steps of using this. So I just kind of wanted to introduce it to you. And I will be doing a follow-up video on everything just to kind of let you know how it went. But really like this. And then the fixer cream, I'm trying to remember what cream consistency this reminds me of, because it's a thick cream. When you look at it, when you go to put some of it on, it almost turns like watery. Hopefully that's showing up on there. And it absorbs in very well, but I noticed last night it left like a little bit of a tackiness feel on my face. So I don't know if I just went overboard with it and just used too much, because it sunk in very quickly, but again, it felt like it left a residue on top of my face. So I personally don't know that I would wear this underneath makeup. Again, I think this is a great product for nighttime because it just is so hydrating. So again, I'm going to play around with this. All right, the next product is something I was very happy I could get my hands on. You know, I rant and rave about the Touch and Soul No Horriblum primer that I use. Well, I discovered they have a foundation too, so I thought I'm going to give this one a try. So this will be coming up fairly soon in a battle of the foundations. Downfall on this, it only comes in 2 shades. So I did get the lightest of the 2 shades and just want to share with you that I got this and it will be coming up soon. So watch for that video as well. All right, the next items that I got is a bunch of brushes from Moda Brushes. Moda Brushes was actually part of Royal and Langnickel brushes. So you can get these actually at Walmart, a bunch of different places, but I ordered mine online from their website because I wanted to be able to pick up some of their new Pro Series brushes, which are not quite out in the stores. So the first set I got is their Moda Metallics. This is a 7-piece set, and this is in the rose gold. There is a little pouch in here that you get as well. So it's not only a way to carry them, but you can prop it up and stick your brushes in so you can easily see them. So I've only used 2 brushes out of this kit so far, and I've really, really liked them. And by the way, this whole kit is only $19.99. So these are awesome brushes. The next one I got staying in the metallic lines is, this is their crease brush. And yes, this has been used a lot. This one is $6.49, and it just does a great job of getting in there and doing like all kinds of uses, but I've been using it to do my transition shade with that one. Then I picked up their Pro Line brushes. So I got the Radiance brush, which is for using for blush or highlight, anything like that. It's a nice little tapered brush, very soft. So you can also use it. I used it for putting on my bronzer today. So really, really like that one. And this one is $7.99. Then I bought their detail brush, which I have not used yet, but this is what the detail brush looks like. And it's more of a stiff, it's almost like a big pencil brush, but it would be great to get into that outer V and do any type of detailed work. And this one is only $4.99. Then I bought a kit. This is their 5-piece bold eye kit, and this one comes with a white pouch, which I haven't even taken out of there yet, so the white pouch is still in there. But these are the brushes that you get. So you get a crease, a detail, a smudge, and a line brush. And I tell you, I love the quality of these. These are just wonderful, wonderful brushes, so I highly recommend them. I'm going to leave links down below. And then also because of the amount that I spent, they sent me a free brush as well, and I got free shipping, so can't go wrong with that. But I'll have links down below. These are just great brushes. All right, moving on. I decided I'm going to try the magnetic lashes again. These are the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes. I got mine in the double wispies. I've been watching some videos on some hacks on how to wear these properly, so I'm going to give it a try. And just in case I screw up, buy a second set. It's a backup. So I got these at my Fred Meyer store for $12.99, but you can buy them online for, I think I found it for $12.98, so I'll have a link down below for these as well. Okay, the next items that I got are some Makeup Revolution products, and a couple of these are not even available yet in the US. I had to order them from their London site and have them shipped to me, which explains why I had such a hard time even finding them again once I got them, because I forgot that I had bought them from that site. So coming soon to an Ulta near you is their Face Base Stick Foundation. I love this foundation. You're going to see that this Thursday in my Battle of the Foundations video. This is only $9, and it's an awesome foundation. So make sure that you subscribe so you can see this when I do it on Thursday. And then on Saturday's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of using Makeup Revolution products. So a lot of them I already had, but a couple of them, again, are brand new and they still are not available in the States. The first one is the I Heart Revolution I Heart Surprise Dragon, which has 2 highlighters. Actually, let me get a little closer for you here. So this one has 2 highlighters and some eyeshadows in there, and it's inside this little egg. And I will be using this in my eye look on Saturday's video. And then I also picked up their new highlighter palette, which is just beautiful. That's what these shades look like. So that is just stunning. And it even comes inside this little velvet pouch. So pretty darn swanky there. And then I also picked up their concealers. So you'll see how the concealers worked out for me as well. Actually, I have these products on my face right now, so that's giving you kind of a sneak peek at them, but you can see how I got this look if you check into Saturday's video. Okay, my next 2 items I got off of Amazon, so again, I'll have links down below, but I will admit I am an earring hoarder. I have a lot of earrings, and I'm going to warn you, this is not even all of them that I'm about to show you. It's maybe 3/4 of them. So I picked up this one earring case or organizer that has slide out drawers. So you get 3 drawers. And what's nice about them, let me get one drawer up, is you can do these 2-sided. So this one, for example, is kind of my gold and bronze earrings in there. Then we move on to my silver earrings. And the next one has a little bit more of my silver earrings, and then just kind of some odds and ends for like holidays. So Christmas, 4th of July. So I got that, and then let me grab the other one. All right, this one holds all kinds of earrings. So what's nice is that this will actually accordion fold, so you can put it all the way in or out. So here are kind of my pink earrings. Then we move on to kind of my browns and yellows. Then we do the blues and purples. I should actually back up because I'm not getting everything in there. And then the black and white ones all in there. So again, that's not all of them, but I've got room to get the rest of them in there. The only thing it wouldn't do is like my hoops. So I put my hoops in this little tray here, or little basket. And I'll have to figure out a different way that I can display those so I can have them out. But I tell you, now that I've done this, it's already easier to go in and find my earrings and pick out what I want to wear, because they're just kind of all organized by color and I can easily find them. So these are so inexpensive as well. So I really, really like these. And again, I'll have links down below for you too. All right, last but not least, I picked up some new lipsticks. This one is by Palladio, and this is in the color Bouchot. I don't know how to say that one, but this is a beautiful liquid lipstick. Then I picked up from Wet n Wild a new shade. So this is not new out, but it's a new shade to me. This is Berry Recognize. Then I picked up by Col-Lab. This is a lipstick, and this is a gorgeous one. This is the one I actually have on right now. And this is in the color Boy Toy. And last but not least, I picked up a new Physicians Formula one. This one's a little bit patchy, so I don't know. I haven't tried wearing it. I just swatched it. And this is in Very Healthy. Now, I had never heard of Col-Lab makeup before, but when I was in Sally Beauty, that's when I picked this up. And I saw that they also have a foundation. Actually, they have a whole line of makeup, so I just picked up a few things to try them out. This is in the color beige, so I haven't even swatched this yet. Let's open it and see what it looks like. So, you know, this is going to be coming up in a battle of the foundations. Okay, so it's a beautiful glass bottle with a pump on it. And that is what it looks like. Ooh, that is thick and creamy. I am anxious to try this one out. And then they also have this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is their Palette Pro. They have different shades of it. This is Best of the Day. Break the seal so we can open it up. Do a little bit of swatching. So this is what the shades look like. You do not get a mirror inside. They swatch better on my finger than they do on my hand. So there's 4 of the shades. So I'll have to play around with this one and see how that works out too. Maybe I'll do go back and pick up some other products and do a full face of collab products. So if you're interested in me doing that, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see that or not. Okay guys, that is the end of everything. That is everything I picked up in the haul. So if there are any products that you have seen me show you and I haven't mentioned that I'd be using them in a upcoming video, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. Or if there's some products I've yet to try and you think I just really need to go get them and show them, then please leave me a comment about that as well, because I really want to make sure that I do videos that you guys would like to see. So thanks so much for watching. Again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification as well, so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you guys are a returning viewer, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. And as always, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.